Car Hub.
What's up guys, welcome back to Car Hub, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take the airbag out of a 2023 Toyota Prius. So first thing you want to do is you want to take these side covers off on each side of the steering wheel. This channel is all about helping you guys with your Toyotas and hybrids. We own over 200 Priuses in Missouri. If you find this video helpful, please like the video. You can join this channel in the description for only $2.99. And you get help from me personally and a bunch of channel perks. So once you get the covers off, you can see a pin in here that you're supposed to push on each side. It's best to use a flat screwdriver to go in and push these silver tabs. And as you push this pin in, you want to pull out on the airbag. Once we get one side, it's time to go to the other side. Now that we got each sides of the airbag pulled out, it's time to go to the bottom of the steering wheel. And you have to get a long Phillips screwdriver to stick through this hole and push the last tab. As this one's a little harder to find, you just have to wiggle it until you find the right spot and you apply pressure and it pops it right out. Once you get this popped out, you got to slide these orange tabs up on the airbag connectors. Before you start working on any airbag system, make sure the 12-volt battery is disconnected. Slide off this ground wire. And that was a short and simple tutorial on how to take the airbag out of a 2023 Toyota Prius. Like I said, we do a bunch of Prius videos, so make sure you don't miss a beat. Let me know in the comments if you have any video ideas as well.